Hi everyone, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room. I am producing this video in response to a student's question that came into our support@tomgentile.com email. The question was, can you delete one of the legs of an existing saved spread trade? And the answer is yes. The question then was how? Well, here's how to get that done. First and foremost, I just want to put a spread trade in the system real quick. And I found one on August 15th, a couple days ago from the Money Calendar Trader. So change it to 8/15/2018, left click go, and it shows you that it's set to the backtest date of August 15th. Let's left click on the Money Calendar Trader button, and you'll see that it says Money Calendar for 8/15. Let's go ahead and click on search. We're not doing any trade sort methods or anything. I'm just trying to get a trade in the system so that we can show you how to delete one of the legs from it. So there's the XBI. September 14th, 91 half, 96 half call debit spread. Let's left click on that, bring up the risk graph for it. Once that page populates, again, we're going to assume we've already done all the data and analysis on this, and we want to save this in the call debit spread folder. There it is. Click save, and thus far we are rolling. Now let's go ahead and delete this box and the Money Calendar Trader box, and let's just say, within a few minutes of putting that trade in that folder or a day or two later, you want to just, ignore the fact that you created a spread on it and you just wanted to say, well, let's just leave it a call option trade. So how do I delete the sold leg of that to leave it just a long call option trade? Simply go up to trades, saved trades, and then click on saved trades. It's going to repopulate and show you all the trades in the system that you have. There's our XBI, September 14, 91 half, 96 half. On the check a trade for trade tools column, left click on the box for that trade. Let's go ahead and click on risk graph. And what we're going to do now is show you that on this trade, you can choose the edit option. Click on the edit button. It'll bring up that spread trade one more time. And this time on the two rows of information, you have in the far right column a delete column. DEL is for delete. And select the box of the leg that you want to delete. We want to leave the buy side open and delete the sell side. Again, we're not going into why this wanted to be done or needed to be done. The question was, can it? Yes, it can, and this is how you do it. Choose the leg you want to delete, and then left click on update. Once that is done, you'll see that all that is left is the one row of the one leg, and that's the buy side of the spread. It's the long call 91 half. So that's how you do it, folks. Now the question is, or the concern for me now is, I have this saved trade as a 91 half, 96 half call option. It's saved in my call debit spreads folder, and I don't want it in that call debit spread folder anymore. This is a long call. I want to put it in my long call folder, and I want to change the name of it. So here's how you get that done real quick. Let's head up here to trades. Let's go to saved trades and saved trades one more time. So I have all these trades here. I have the XBI right there. Let's click on that, bring up the risk graph yet again, and very simply on this page, and you could have done it on the risk graph page there as well, but on the current trade, you can just go ahead and click in there and make an adjustment to whatever the name you want to call it. It's no longer 91 half, 96 half. It's a simple 91 half call. So I will leave it as such. XBI September 14th, 91 and a half call, and then I will click update. Now that the update button's done, it shows you the trade, the risk graph for the trade, and the appropriate name. Real quick now though, you have it in the call debit spread folder. So let's go to website, hover over folders, and left click on edit folders. And what you'll see here is select display in folder A and folder B. Right now, if we click on call debit spreads, it's going to adjust the list down here in folder A to just those trades that are in your call debit spread folder. I want to select on the XBI, that's renamed now the XBI 91 half call, and I want to change it or move it from folder A into folder B, which is the long calls. Now, if you don't have these folders, you want to create these folders to be able to accomplish this. So now I have the call debit spread folder, of which I've selected the new name, XBI September 1491 half call. I'm moving it into the long calls or folder B, and I left click on the blue move button to get that done. And then to confirm that, you can go up to your website, folders, and then all folders. And then when you get up the all folders page here, you'll see all the different folders that you have here. Your call debit spreads, there's no XBI there. Where is the XBI? It's down in the long calls folder right there. Hope you've enjoyed that, and we'll see you on future videos. Bye for now.